everyone, in this tutorial we are going to learn about Python operators. If you're not subscribed to my channel, just hit that subscribe button. You are going to learn lot many things in this channel. Let's watch this amazing in before tutorial we seen that type conversions, that is what is type conversions and how we can convert integer to float, integer to string, float to integer, string to integer. We seen lot many things in before tutorial. If you missed the tutorial, just go that and you can learn type conversions. Now in this tutorial we are going to work with operators. Just I'll close this file and I'll create new file which is Python 3 file which is py operators. So actually they are having 7 operators mainly, that is as arithmetic, assignments, comparison, logical, identity, membership, bitwise operators. These all operators we are going to work in this tutorial. So in arithmetic we are having like addition, subtraction, multiplication and everything. So we'll work like practically, that is just we'll move to computer and we'll work practical of some of the operators. So generally I want to work like arithmetic operators with integer type values. That is how we can do. Just observe integer type. So actually, arithmetic means we are performing some mathematical operations mainly related to addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and remainder. That is modulus, what we can say. So everything we can do. So just I'll create one variable. I'll do all the things. That is plus b plus 10. Then you can see print a. So actually this is like addition what we are doing. So same thing I want to control and I want to do that just minus, that is subtraction, and just multiplication, just star, and we are having modulus. Just I'll make reminder. So and we are having floating point division, that is just keep like this, and again just make like double. Just shift enter, then you can see all the things we did, like addition, subtraction, multiplication, modulo operator that it gives like reminder, and you can see here that is floor division. This is called floor division, so this is called floating point division. So everything will write here, that is in commands. Just observe. So addition. So now I'll use arithmetic operators with negative values. So I want to use, so with negative values, so equal to -2 of into 3. Of course, we all of us know that it will print like -6, like print b. Just we can see that is multiplication, which is -6. So same you can do with floating values, floor division, like modular division. You can do everything. Arithmetic operators with floating values also you can do. That is 10.34 plus 4 5.76. Just print a. So of course you can see the floating value. So this is the way to do all the things with arithmetic operators with floating, negative values and float values. And you can use arithmetic operators with boolean values also. So print true minus true, then you can see its value. We all of us know that true means 1 minus 1, that is called, here true value is 1, coming to false, the false value is 0. We all of us know that. So again same you can do, like print true plus true, 1 plus 1 will get like 2, and you can do true minus false, that is 1 minus 0 will get like 1. Perform subtractions, and you can perform multiplications, and you can perform what you want. You can modulo, you can perform many things, and you can see here finally. arithmetic operations we completed. Now we will go like some increment operations we'll do. Like suppose shall I take like I equal to like 9. So I want to increment this value, like you can write like I plus equal to 1. That means it will increment one value, that you can see that it will print like I, that is 9 plus 1, that can call as 10. It will print like 9 plus 1, that is 10. And I'm saying that don't keep this space, then you can, so don't forget, you should not give the space, because one, that is, if you want to just decrease, that is 9 minus 1, you will get like 8 output. So of course we'll get, so this is increment and decrement. You can do like increment and decrement. See another operator, that is will work with some logical operators. Just I'll write like print 3 less than 4. Of course we all of us know that will print true. So here I want to work with true and false also. Just print true and false. Then you can see it's print true and false, that is called 0, 1 and 0. So obviously 1 and 0 means it's like a 0. So if you want like 1 or 0, that means true or false, just copy here and same you can write here. Just you can keep that or, you can see it's like a true. And you can, and not equal to operations also. Just I'm saying some of the operations. You can see it's like a true. And you can write like this also, like print true and not false, like true. So this is the way to write. I explained some of the operations which was there. So you can do logical and logical, or you can do lot many operations. So the reference link I'll keep in description, and you can find more operations or more operators. So that's it about this tutorial. I'll come with another tutorial, that is indentation. So what is indentation? What we can do indentation. Actually we didn't hear about the word indentation, right? So we'll see with upcoming tutorial. Stay tuned for upcoming tutorial.
Hope this video is helpful to you. In future, definitely I'll do more videos and more things, and let's subscribe this channel because if you support me, I'll do more and more